Hello to you, I'm Jessie Johnson. This is evolution of life, of all species, origin of life, speciation, principles, basics. This is in 5 short parts, and this is part 2. Let's begin, please. Now, developmental evolution, the evolution of life on Earth from extreme past to present, life's origin and development from natural processes. We're picking up from where we left off on part 1, natural laws, principles of life, evolution. Number 1, all organisms, single-cell, multicell, virus particles, aborigines are related. Number 2, the developmental evolution arose over several billions of years ago by the most accurate and precise radiometric dating methods from 100% natural processes of Earth. Number 3, the natural processes of developmental evolution of life is 100% scientific fact. Number 4, all organisms have parents from which they procreated from. No exceptions exist. Number 5, the natural processes of developmental evolution are many and are generally fully comprehended and understood by few. Number 6, different species and higher taxonomic levels is evolutionary from their own ancient ancestors. Number 7, life did not start at one location on Earth, but approximately 10 to the 40th power of locations. 8, no other proposition have evidence for its standing, only developmental evolution by natural processes. Number 9, life, chemical form, has not always been here, on Earth that is. It began by massive amounts of complex processes. Number 10, all known chemical life forms is composed at base of 16 chemicals and 6 augmentary chemicals. Number 11, there are 35 to 40 minimum number of sciences that support the fact that evolution of life occurred and is occurring on this Earth now. Number 12, all life can be classified, categorized into 11 levels of taxonomy, from macro level to subspecies levels by taxonomy methods. Number 13, there is a how, mechanistic, to evolution, but there is no why, vitalistic, unless you make up one. Number 14, developmental evolution is proven every second, every day by its natural processes, dynamics. Number 15, there are 2 major categories to developmental evolution, universal general and number 2, specific. Number 16 here, there are at least 20 highly accurate and precise dating methods from 500 years to 5 billion years. Developmental evolution, number 17 at the bottom, developmental evolution studies all life forms, all forms from origin to the present in completion. No other science or non-science does this or can do this. Number 18, life does not have a his story, but have a life story. All life is not a his or a him, but damn fools believe so. Number 19, there are 11 natural processes that change. Number 19, there are 11 natural processes that change, unlocks, in other words, one species' genetics and turns them into, relocks them genetically into becoming another species. Number 20, all individuals of one species can communicate with all other individuals of their own one species. Number 21, all living beings are a complex process and existing within an ecological environment of greater processes of which they or it must adapt and reproduce. Now, speciation. Speciation is the processes by which a species' genetics unlocks and relocks to become another species over thousands of years, tens of thousands of years, hundreds of thousands of years. several millions of years, tens of millions of years, hundreds of millions of years. And those processes are, number one, allopatric speciation, number two, sympatric speciation, 3, parallel speciation, 4, polyploidic speciation, 5, non-cladogenesis speciation, 6, founder speciation, 7, hybrid speciation, 8, reproductive isolation speciation, 9, prezygotic speciation, 10, postzygotic speciation, 11, chromosomal rearrangement speciation, number 13, reinforcement speciation, 13, ecological speciation. Let's continue, please. Ecological evolutionary life processes. Number 1, catastropheology, extinction and change. Number 2, uniform meteorology, predator-prey laws and rules, competition, exclusion laws and mutations. 5, keystone species, evolutionary stable states and strategies. 6, optimal foraging, optimal browsing, optimal hunting, optimal danger escape, optimal fertility limits. Number 7, parasites and pathogens. Number 8, ecological epidemiology. Number 9, food chains. All organisms are food for other organisms. This includes human beings being food for worms. Number 10, microbiology. Number 11, reproductively isolated species production, geography, mates and choice, feeding, etc. Number 12, combinations and permutations of all chemical elements that makes up life. Number 13, as well as not make up life. Number 13, thermobiology. Number 14, islands, such as islands like Hawaii and so forth, island biogeography for life and species. Number of offsprings in this case matters a great deal. Ecologic resilience also matters a great deal. Number 15, overkilling of a species by humans. 16, species maintain ecologic biodiversity, stable states of ecologic system. Number 17 here, species climax theory, arise, grows, matures, dies. Number 18, food chains. Different species with the same diets are called guilds. Number 19, population, chaotic growth, metapopulations, meta-communities, mass extinctions, etc. Number 20, microecology, macroecology. Number 21, bioplane. The bioplane is the totality of all biomes, all ecozones, threats, humans included, poisons, deforestation, urban sprawl, overfishing, ocean plastics pollution, waste, etc. Number 22, life changes the surface of Earth to its own purpose, as well as Earth surface changes life to its own purpose. Number 23, humans. A finite world supports finite populations. Human beings are disrespecting this. Therefore, the human race is going to be in trouble. Number 24, species radiation geography. Number 25, laws of heredity. Humans are gene carriers and nothing more. Now, let's continue, please. Number 26. Number 26, life is composed of 7 taxobiomes: animal, plants, fungi, bacteria, protists, Ameritinidae, virus particles having their own because they have their own genomes. Number 27, 2 general types of biomes, terrestrial and aquatic, such as marine, oceans, freshwater, etc. Life exists in biomes: terrestrial forms, polar, tundra, boreal forest, temperate forest, tropical rainforest, grassland, savanna, desert, fresh water, such as lakes, rivers, wetlands, streams, brooks, puddles, pools, swamps, bayous, etc. Tropical dry, woodlands, coniferous forest, barrier reefs, mountains, scrub forest. Number 28, ecological processes, biomes, ecosystems, communities, niches, habitats, ecozones, elemental cycles, terrestrial biomes, biogeography, abiotic, biotic, terrestrial ecology, aquatic ecology, biodiversity, life zones, evolution of life at all levels, disturbance of ecology. This has been part 2 of evolution of life, of all life, of all species, the origin of life, speciation, principles, and basics. This is in 5 parts. We will go to part 3, and I want to thank everyone for listening and watching. Please share this video and subscribe, and we will see each other on part 3 of 5 parts. Have a fine day.